You're in a meeting with native English speakers and someone says, "Let's circle back on this after we move the needle on the low-hanging fruit."
And you smile and nod, but inside you have absolutely no idea what just happened.
Today we decode 10 business English expressions that will make you sound like a professional, not like someone translating in their head.
I'm William. This is Sarah. Welcome to Learn English. Today is about professional language.
These are real expressions used in real offices, real Zoom calls, and real emails every single day.
B2 level content today, but even C1 learners will find this useful because business English is its own dialect.
Let's touch base with the first 5 expressions.
Expression 1. Circle back. This means to return to a topic that was discussed or paused.
I don't have the data right now, but I'll circle back with you by end of day. Very common in meetings.
Expression 2. Move the needle. This means to make meaningful, measurable progress.
It comes from the image of a needle on a gauge. Barely moving means no progress. Moving the needle means real impact.
Expression 3. Ballpark figure. A rough estimate, not exact, but approximately right.
I don't have the exact number, but ballpark, we're looking at about $50,000. Very useful when you need a quick estimate.
Expression 4. Low-hanging fruit. This refers to easy tasks or opportunities that can be achieved quickly with minimal effort.
Imagine an apple tree. The apples at the bottom are easiest to reach. In business, that's the quick wins.
Expression 5. Drill down. This means to analyze something in more detail, to go deeper into the data.
If we drill down into the numbers, we can see that the drop happened in the 3rd week of October. Let's unpack a couple of these.
Move the needle. This is used when results have been slow or invisible. If someone asks what will actually move the needle, they want impactful ideas, not minor adjustments.
Circle back is used when you want to defer a decision politely. It's professional, not evasive. Let me circle back on that buys time without shutting down the conversation.
Low-hanging fruit can sometimes have a slightly negative connotation, like you're only going for the easy stuff. Be aware of tone when you use it.
That said, in most contexts it's neutral and positive. Start with quick wins, then tackle bigger challenges.
Expression 6. Bandwidth. In business English, bandwidth means capacity, how much time or energy someone has.
Do you have the bandwidth to review this document by Friday? It's a polite way of asking if someone is available.
Expression 7. Take offline. This means to move a conversation out of the current meeting and discuss it privately later.
It prevents meetings from going off track. Let's take that offline is a polite redirect.
Expression 8. On the same page. This means that everyone has the same understanding or agrees.
Are we on the same page about the deadline? Or, let's sync up to make sure we're on the same page.
Expression 9. Push the envelope. This means to go beyond normal limits, to innovate or take risks.
It originally comes from aviation. The envelope is the boundary of an aircraft's performance. Pushing it means flying at the limits.
Expression 10. Synergy. Often overused, but it means the combined effect of two things working together is greater than each alone.
Use it sparingly. It's become a bit of a buzzword. But in the right context, it's still useful. Bandwidth is interesting because it comes from tech, internet bandwidth, and moved into general business use.
You'll hear it used for teams too. The team doesn't have the bandwidth for a new initiative this quarter. Same concept.
Take offline can sound odd. You're not actually going offline. It just means let's not discuss this in front of everyone right now.
A quick tip. Don't overload your speech with these expressions. 1 or 2 per conversation sounds natural. 5 in one sentence sounds like a parody.
Authenticity matters. Use these when they genuinely fit, not just to sound impressive.
Practice time. Repeat these phrases naturally after Sarah.
Let's circle back. Let's circle back on this tomorrow.
Low-hanging fruit. We should start with the low-hanging fruit.
On the same page. Are we all on the same page?
Ballpark figure. Can you give me a ballpark figure?
Push the envelope. This project really pushes the envelope. Well done.
Quick quiz. Pick the right expression.
Your colleague says they're too busy to take on more work. Which expression would they use?
I don't have the bandwidth right now. Exactly.
You want to know if everyone understands the plan. What do you ask?
Are we all on the same page? Perfect.
You need a rough cost estimate, not exact what do you ask for.
Can you give me a ballpark figure? You've got this.
10 expressions, and now your next business meeting is going to sound very different.
Try using one new expression in your next email or call. Notice how naturally it fits.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. We'll see you next time.